The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is built for extreme off-road performance, with a powerful supercharged 5.2-litre V8 engine producing over 700 horsepower. This beastly pickup offers unmatched capability, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology to dominate any terrain. Ford has refined the suspension system with Fox Live valve shocks, ensuring a smooth yet controlled ride over rough landscapes. The massive all-terrain tires, wide stance, and Kanza de-reinforced frame make it a true off-road warrior. Inside, the Raptor R features a high-tech cabin with premium materials, a massive infotainment touchscreen, and advanced driver assist features. The interior is designed for both comfort and functionality, with bolstered seats providing excellent support during high-speed desert runs. The 2025 model also includes Ford's latest Sync 4 system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. A premium Bang & Olufsen sound system enhances the driving experience, while a digital gauge cluster delivers real-time performance data. On the road, the Raptor R exhibits a commanding presence with its bold front grille, signature LED lighting, and a high-performance exhaust that produces an aggressive growl. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth power delivery, while the advanced four-wheel drive system provides super-E or traction in any condition. With multiple drive modes, including Baja and Rock Crawl, this truck adapts effortlessly to various terrains. For those looking for a high-performance truck with incredible off-road capabilities and head-turning design, the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is an outstanding choice. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and features. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on powerful machines like this. Xpert brings you the best automotive content or traction in any condition. With multiple drive modes, including Baja and Rock Crawl, this truck adapts effortlessly to various terrains.